Hello, this is Eric from Jarhead Paracord, and what I'm going to show you today is how I go from a 4-strand crown Sinnet, whether it be round or square, to a 8-strand. You'll notice that I do this on the lower end, go from 4 to 8. Which is being hidden by the diamond knot right now, and I do it in the handle of my get back whips. So obviously materials for this is going to be your current 4-strand and then 2 additional lengths of paracord. You'll notice that the 2 that I have, one solid color and one that's been joined. This is still only, the yellow and red is just one piece that was joined using the Manny method that I discussed in a previous video. So basically all we're going to do is start off where we would with a regular, preparing a regular 4-strand. But we're not going to pull it tight yet. Yeah. So we've got that ready to go, and then all we're going to do is feed the additional strands in to the paracord knot. You'll note that if you're using more than one color, obviously, make sure that you're putting your paracord in the right direction, or it will adjust the pattern. So with this 3-color whip, black goes to black, red goes first. And again, all I'm doing is going through the center of the knot. With the 3-color, it's pretty easy to determine where the center is because that's where you joined the 2 pieces together. All I'm going to do now is tighten it up. And if you heard me say it once, you heard me say it 1,000 times. The key with these whips is to keep everything tight. Now, what I'll do with the black one is I just want to make sure that the strands are centered. You'll see that it wasn't. So I just bring them to the end, follow that back through, and then pull it through the whip to make sure that that's centered. Give it one final tightening. And when you're doing this, you're only pulling right now on the outer strand, because if you pull on the inner strand, you're going to pull that back through. And then you just continue with your same knotting. from this point, you can pull on both. But right now you'll notice that that's been locked in, and you've gone from 4 strands to 8 strands. 2, 4, 6, 8. Continue that process for the length of your project. You know, for this, it's a handle. The big thing, you know, in addition to keeping it tight, that you just want to make sure is that your individual strands of paracord aren't getting crossed, that you're staying and keeping them even or in their correct place. And I'll show you what it would look like if you did get one crossed. So basically, that's what it would look like if you crossed it versus, you know, 2 side by side. If you notice that happens, you just loosen it, move your strand of paracord over to the other side. Tighten it back up and continue on for the length of your whip. That is how I go from a 4 strand to an 8 strand. This is Eric from Jarhead Paracord. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know.